Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel. My name is Bing, and in today's video I want to do a quick review of this Xiaomi MIIIW wireless keyboard. I bought it on AliExpress and it takes 3 weeks to be arrived in France. It comes with this box and it was protected with other boxes as well, so don't worry. It was covered by a piece of film, which is very nice. When you hold it in your hand, it feels heavy. It will give you that kind of solid feeling. I mean, it has a very good build quality based on a minimalist design. The curves, the lines are elegant. The details are well refined. It has 102 full-size keys. The function keys above are very convenient. The function keys, 2 enter keys, and the spacebar have a pop-up curve like this, and the other keys have a concave curve. Nice design. It is very helpful on typing. In the upright, there are 3 keys for changing the connection mode and operating system. The power switch is in the right up corner. Down below, you can see on the Control, Alt, and the Windows keys, there are also Mac-style marks for Mac users. On the top of the keyboard, this part is covered by rubber. You can put your phone and other things in there to keep the desk clean. The back side is a whole piece of aluminum cut by CNC machine. I believe it is very beautiful. The edges are a little bit sharp, but we don't use it by holding it, right? The battery slot is on the back. It comes with 2 good quality AAA batteries made by Zimi, which is an ecology Kuching company, and Xiaomi. The 2.4 GHz receiver is next to the batteries, and it is sticking on there by a magnet. Nice design again. Everyone likes magnet. It has a 6-degree inclination between the desk, which been believed as an ergonomic golden typing angle. There are 2 ways to connect it with your devices: the 2.4 GHz radio frequency and the Bluetooth. To use the 2.4 GHz RF, just put the receiver in any USB port of your computer, then you're good to go. But if you prefer the Bluetooth, you need to pair them first. Both ways are working great, but I found it has a power saving mode. It means it will go to sleep if you don't use it for 5 minutes. The problem is if you want to use it again while it's sleeping, there will be a noticeable lag in both connection modes. It is annoying for me, but I think I will just get used to it. Luckily, the lag is less stronger in the Bluetooth mode. You can also connect it with 2 devices in the same time and switch in between by pressing the different buttons. I'm not an expert on keyboard, so I don't know exactly how good or how bad this one is. Compared to an old school keyboard, this one is beautiful and typing on it is less tiring. The whole experience of this keyboard from me is just like a laptop, but it is more clicky and the feedback of the confirmation is a bit stronger. Anyways, I bought it only because it is beautiful. For anyone who's looking for a beautiful keyboard or want to use a keyboard between 2 devices, this MIIIW keyboard is a good choice. It has a good design, it has a good quality and easy to use. But for anyone who wants to gaming on it, this keyboard is not for you. Okay, here's the video for today. Thanks for joining me. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more, consider subscribing. I will see you in the next video. Bye!